everyone, welcome to Crochet Critters. Tonight we're going to be doing another unboxing. So to start with, I'm going to be doing a hobby unboxing, this massive bag of squishy yarn, but I've also got another one that I did of some Premier yarn. So I bought both because I want to do a direct comparison of the two, because I've noticed a lot of people, some use the hobby and a lot of people use the Premier Parfait yarn, and so I kind of wanted to see what they were both like back to back. So in an upcoming video I'm going to do a direct comparison of the two, but to start with I'm going to unbox this bag of squishy yarn, and I'm excited about this because there was a particular one that was out of stock for quite a while and I'd been wanting to finish off a project. So I will pull it out. Once I pulled it out, I'll show you the project I want to finish off because I'm a bit excited about this one. It's one of my bigger projects. It's pretty cool. Oh, so to start with, we've got this awesome pink Honey Bunny candy, and I love the candy yarn that Hobbii have come out with the lots of different colors scattered throughout it. I think it's gorgeous and it works up to the most amazing projects. So that's the pink one, which I haven't worked with yet, so I'm looking forward to that. And the black one, which I just think it looks spectacular, just with all those colors scattered throughout the black. I can't wait to use that. So I've got two of those, and got another one of the pink ones. And then I've got two of the pale pink Honey Bunnies, and a pale yellow Honey Bunny, and I think this one's called Forest Green Honey Bunny. So I'm looking forward. I think I'll use this one for some Christmas stuff I have in mind. And white Honey Bunny candy, and which I just think it looks amazing with all those colors scattered throughout. Imagine the different things you can use that for. It's fantastic. And the blue one, which I have used before, and I love the blue as well. There's another white Honey Bunny candy, and just a plain white, which is always useful, and a paler greeny turquoisey kind of green. And this is the one I've been waiting for. So it's the Honey Bunny candy with the purple, and I'll show you what I'm going to be finishing off. And it's this guy. So he is going to be a dragon, and I can't wait to finish him off. I will add the link to the pattern for this in the description below, because I can't remember who does this one, but I'm really excited to finish this guy off now that I've got all the yarn that I need. And what else have we got? Oh, we've got two pale blues of the Honey Bunny, just straight Honey Bunny. So that is all the Hobbii yarn that I've got in this order. But I also got another recent order, which I have opened the bag, but I haven't undone the bag. So I'll unbag this one with all of you. And so this is with Premier yarn, so that's different to the Hobbii yarn. So I've got some of the Parfait Chunky, and this one's called Classic Blue, which I think is just a really nice looking blue. And then I've got this one, which is called Azure, which is another really pretty blue. And then I've got these two, which are this one's called Blue. So I've got two of those. And then I've got this one, which is called Orchid, and I just really think it's a really pretty purpley pink color, and I'm sure I can do something really nice with that one. And this one is called Very Very, and I just love the vibrantness of the pink in this. I think it's really cool. And then I decided to go with some of the Chenille Bloom, because I've been looking at other people who've been using it, and I look at it and I just think it's so amazing. The colors in it are so amazing. So I've got two of these purpley ones, which are Geranium. I've got one of the Cherry Blossom. I've got one of the, what's this one called? Buttercup. It's really bright yellow in it. And I've got a begonia. So there's a really nice blue in that as well. It's really pretty. And last but not least, I have Dewdrop, which is really pretty too. So I'm hoping to do sort of a direct comparison between the Hobby Yarn plush yarn and the Premier Parfait yarn, as well as the Chenille Bloom yarn compared to one of the Hobby yarns as well, and do a bit of a comparison to see what I think of the difference between them, whether one's better than the other. I'm not sure yet. I will let you know. Subscribe and then you will find out. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a like and definitely subscribe so you know what's coming next. Thank you very much for joining me. Bye.